continuing.
No problem. You also interrupt me when I speak, Chair. But you can finish so that I can have my 15 minutes.
No, I'm done.
DG, are you aware of the appointments of boards in the SITAs?
The DG will not answer that question.
I'm not asking him if he has appointed them. I'm asking him, is he aware? He's the DG of higher education. You said he doesn't appoint. No problem. I'm not asking him if he has appointed. I'm saying, are you aware, as the Director General of Higher Education, of appointments of board chairpersons of SITAs?
Yeah. DG won't answer that question. 2 members have already told you that we have resolved there. We're going to deal with the issues. They've told you no one is afraid of engaging there. So we're going to get to that part. Are you going to ask related questions to this thing or not?
DG, are you aware that the son of Gwede Mantashe has been appointed as one of the chairpersons of the SITA boards?
Yeah, Honorable Cezanne.
Chairperson, could you please assist the committee, because now we're going to lose confidence in you as the chairperson of this session or this committee. Now the meeting is degenerating, and some of us would rather be doing other work of parliament and other work of the organization that deployed us here. Could you please ensure that you take the house back to order? We are really degenerating and we do not want to see this.
Thank you very much, Honorable Khabo. Yes.
No, thank you very much, Chairperson. Thanks for the opportune moment.
No, I've not finished my 15 minutes, Chair. You are going to have to kick me out here. I'm going to utilize my 15 minutes. Yeah. When other members are using their 15 minutes, I keep quiet. Don't disrupt anyone. People were asking questions here to these people. You even come in and say, no, but that's something for the legal. But you don't stop them from asking the question. You are shielding these people. Why? Yeah. Why can't the DG say it himself? Why must you be the lawyer of the DG? Why must you be the spokesperson of the department?
Yeah,
I've got 15 minutes.
I've asked you to leave
I've got 15 minutes.
No, I've asked you to leave our meeting.
DG,
and
are you aware that the son of Gwede Mantashe has been appointed as one of the chairs of the SITA boards?
I am going to ask security to escort you out.
DG.
Because you are now disrupting our meetings.
DG.
Order, Chair.
No, it's fine. I've asked
DG.
I'm waiting for security to come.
We're not going to come here to protect the department. These are skills authorities. We're sitting with almost half of the population of young people in South Africa. They are unemployed. At least 2.5 million of those people are NEET. They are not in education. They are not in training. And then we've got SITAs that must put their family members, that must put their friends, that must put ANC members to loot higher education. And then we're told here that we can't ask those questions. We're not here to come and be bodyguards of the department. We're not here to speak on behalf of the department. We're here to speak for the youth. We're here to speak for the students in South Africa. They must know what is happening in the SITAs, what is happening in the boards. We're not going to allow it. We're not here to protect the department. We're not here to protect the department.
We can't be given problems.
I've got 15 minutes. I must be allowed to utilize my 15 minutes.
Who comes late to a meeting?
I must be allowed to utilize my 15 minutes.
And dictate the terms of operations. We can never allow that thing. We're also members of this parliament.
I will never come here to protect the department.
We're not depending on the department.
Come here and ask questions, and then these people don't even respond to the questions.
On something that is not even part of the agenda.
Won't happen.
Why must we continue entertaining it?
Won't happen.
We're not here for people who are going to come and clap for likes on Facebook.
It's not going to happen.
We'll never accept that behavior and attitude.
It's not going to happen.
It's not as if we cannot degenerate to this level.
It's not going to happen.
We can degenerate to this level. We are both young people. We can take each other head on, toe to toe, pound to pound. We've got that energy.
No problem. You have your 15 minutes, I have my 15 minutes. You have your 15 minutes, I have my 15 minutes.
This honorable member is wasting our time.
You have your 15 minutes, I have my 15 minutes.
Protection services, I've called for them for some time.
But we are saying to you, Chairperson, if you are afraid of